You don't keep falling back into your bad habits because you're weak. You fall back because your brain is addicted to running the same script every day. Same desk, same phone, same people, same places. All of it is a giant play button for the habit you're trying to kill. And every time you rely on discipline alone, you lose because discipline burns out, but the triggers stay. The fix is simple. Make the habit physically impossible to do without friction. If your phone kills your focus, put it in another room. If junk food tempts you, stop buying it. Then rewrite your daily default script by replacing that bad habit with something that hits the same reward system but moves you forward. Swap doom scrolling for learning a skill. Swap late night snacks for tea and a book. But here's the part nobody talks about. The urge moment. That random spike in temptation when you're doing fine, then suddenly want to give in. Don't fight it and don't act on it. Just freeze for 2 minutes. Urges are like waves. They peak and then fade if you don't surf them. When you see this happen enough times, you stop believing they control you. Stack enough of these small wins and your brain starts seeing you as someone who simply doesn't do that habit anymore. That's when you're free. Not because you're grinding through life with iron discipline, but because the old habit feels like it belongs to a completely different person.